Siemens IQ 500 heat pump dryer A++. Energy efficiency, beautifully designed, beautifully door. It's got LED light inside the drum. It's got different functions, as you can see at the front. It's got the touch display. It's got 40 minutes timer as well. And these dryers, they are energy efficient. They do take slightly longer to dry, but they don't damage your clothes. They don't shrink your clothes. And the best part about these dryers are that they are self-cleaning condenser. You don't have to clean the bottom filter again and again. Thank you very much for viewing.